Ohayo gozaimasu! So today we are going to go along and do the things I do when I'm not solo traveling in Japan. Let me show you what's really like to be in Japan, because not every day you take a train to some random city and explore and take pictures. Last week I was in Tokyo. It was amazing. I miss it already, but I kind of have been neglecting things here. Let's do some of that. I found this shirt yesterday at a store I absolutely love. I saw it and it spoke to me. First thing on the agenda is clean, so let's do that. Dang it. I don't see vacuuming on hardwood floor. I don't think it works very well. Another important thing I need to do is budget. Moving to a new country, I feel like you kind of don't understand how money works in it. So I've been trying to be careful with my money and I write down how much I spend. Because if you've seen in my last vlogs, I've been pretty cheap. Hopefully that will change. How do you spell groceries? Nothing like being a bad speller who teaches English. Right now, my kitchen cupboard, if you even call this a cupboard, the furniture here is minimal. Well, it's a mess and I want to organize it. Shout out to my best friend, Heather. She has a sorting business called Stellar Sorting. I'm probably a little inspired by her to sort right now, but it just looks like an absolute mess. When I have a clean space and an organized space, I feel much better. And I've had a lot of trash accumulating. In Japan, you have to separate your trash. It's very confusing. I mean, I cleaned for about an hour, maybe a little more. That was nice. I feel like meal prep is also something that's pretty healing. I need some caramel. Why didn't I cut off the skin? Okay, now that we have successfully cleaned and meal prepped as such, I think it's time we make pancakes. I love pancakes. This week at work was a lot better if you've noticed recently. I'm complaining about work. It's been stressing me out. Did it still stress me out? But it was better. And that's all that. Oh my gosh. That's going in the trash. Oh, if there's smoke coming off the pan, I think it's too hot. On today's agenda, we need to edit a video. We need to plan more trips to do, especially hiking in the fall, and we need to go to the store. I'm forgetting something. I don't know. Maybe it's not that bad. I'm still eating it. Okay, it is pretty bad. Okay, it's really bad. I'm throwing it away. We also need to go to the post office, get my package. I'm a little worried about going to the post office. I'm trying to get my package because I don't know how to do that. This one looks a lot better. It's a little undercooked, but we can work with that. Bad news is, this is the final product. I decided to go for a deconstructed burnt pancake look. I promised last time I made pancakes they were immaculate, they were little circles, but I think the whole chocolate, the whole pressure of the camera really just messed me up. I don't know, it didn't work today. It feels so much more awkward vlogging where you live. I'm scared I'm gonna see people I know, even though I know very few people here. It looks like I randomly stumbled upon a little fair festival. Honestly, that was very unproductive. Trying to figure out the best hiking spots, best follies areas. There's just so many options, and I don't know anything about anything. I don't have a car, so I have to do all this public transportation. So it's very confusing. I'm just trying to do too much. I just need to focus on one area, but I'm very impatient. So it just felt kind of unproductive. But I mean, I learned things. I think I just need to wing it more. But it's my favorite time of the day. So let's go walk. Let's go to the post office. And I wanted to go on a run, but it's getting dark fast. So the post office is very much closed. Y'all, this is so pretty. I'm gonna walk down this path back to my apartment. Hello. I think they said hello to me. I get so scared. Ah! I only ran inside to grab water and bread because I went to go watch the sunset while I edit a video. I love this time of day and I never get to see it. I'm always working during this time. Look at my apartment. Let's go to the park and edit a video. Watch the sunset. Let's go. I enjoyed that, but now it's time to record my voiceovers for my video. You know, you guys don't see the real tea when I edit videos. It's so much work. My phone always says, editing failed, please try again. So I'm tired, but I should go to the store because I really want ice cream. But it's like 2 miles to go there. Okay, I'm going. There's no debate, I need to go. All right, I'm going, Mom, I'm going. Once I get my socks. You kids be safe while I'm gone. If you need anything, call the neighbors. And also call me, but I might be hard to reach, okay? Please go to bed at 9. It's a school night. Maybe I should do those TikTokers who do those POVs. I think that's the issue, I'm not famous yet. I'm not a TikToker. Be safe. All I want to say is that they don't really care about us. Okay, can I say controversial opinion? Seeing Michael Jackson the musical on Broadway, it really made me a Michael Jackson stan. This is what I needed the most. My ice cream. It's a new day. Got up early-ish so I can go to the mailbox. Post office. This post office thing is stressing me out. I want to go before I call home because I think my package is from my mom. So I want to call home and say, I got my package. I don't know what this cereal is, but it's good. And then I might go to a Japanese language class. Let's try this one more time. I got my package. So heavy. I'm gonna call my family here. So I'm really confused because I can see what my parents brought me. They wrote it down. They got me a pot holder. I need a pot holder. I don't remember telling them I needed a pot holder. So how did they know?
Oh, you got the package?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, what? So when are you gonna open your box?
Well, I'm gonna go maybe to the Japanese lesson. Let's go take a Japanese lesson. Learn some Japanese. I'm so nervous. That actually wasn't too bad. I didn't know what all was going on most of the time. However, the teacher was really nice and I knew some stuff. It's free, so I'm gonna do it. It's so bright. I'm not doing any work out here. Let's go to Starbucks or something. I had a successful day in Starbucks. Much more productive than yesterday. Can't wait to open this, but can't wait to carry it. I made it back. Let's open this package up. I'm excited to get a package, yes. However, I will just probably eat everything really fast. These kid scissors are really great. Whoa! Autumn is my favorite color. I'm actually so excited for fall colors. It's been 4 years since I've seen a real fall. Cookie mix. I've struggled to find cookie mix, specifically chocolate chip cookie mix. The little pumpkin. Guys, this is like Christmas morning, but Halloween morning. Oh, this is cute. Oh my gosh, more? She really said no one needs his chocolate chip cookies, which I do. Y'all, this is amazing. Peanut butter. I'm very excited about peanut butter. There's peanut butter here, but the consistency is like jelly. You know, I'm such a baker. I just needed my cake mixes. I'm such a baker. Oh, some leaves. Hot chocolate. How did she know I need hot chocolate? A little crazy. Thank you, Mom and Dad. Nothing like some good old American sugar to keep you down. I'm gonna go eat a peanut butter sandwich, go on a run. I'm excited to go on a run and explore Nagano. I'm not gonna go in the mountains, even though I want to, because it's not fall yet. I need to explore the city first, so I'm gonna try to find the Olympic venues in this city on my run. Zoom in. Zoom in. category is living in Olympic cities. This is my second city I've lived in. That's been a Winter Olympic city. Oh my gosh, that run was terrible. Not terrible, it was good. Japanese roads are like this. I ended up going 10 miles. I wasn't gonna go that much. I'm making a bomb salad. I'm gonna cut the lettuce. There's a big old bug in my lettuce. And I'm looking around and there's like littler bugs too. What do you guys think? Should I throw it all away? Okay, there's a lot of bugs on this. It's like a green bug and then there's like gnats. And there's that big bug. And I feel like the bugs are on me. Should I go to the store and complain? Even though I don't know how to do that in the language. Not for $2. I'm not about to try to do that awkwardness. I think I'll just buy more lettuce tomorrow. But I was preparing such a good salad. So good thing my mom bought me peanut butter because that's gonna be my lunch for tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed that little meal prep session. I made a little soup. It's very liquidy. I hope you had fun healing with me this weekend. I love traveling, but like, this was really nice too. Fall is coming soon. Stay tuned for fall adventures and solo traveling. I hope you are enjoying fall wherever you are. Might watch like a little Halloween-y movie. We'll see, but I really want to make some cookies too. So we're gonna do that and we'll go to bed and just vibe. So yes, I'll see you on the next one. Music is a really big part of my life, guys. Yes, it's a little burnt. I don't have a real oven. It's a toaster oven. Give me a break. It's a bulge. Mood.